mine already. Listen to this. Got the key out here. You ready for this? This is awesome. That's crank pulley hitting on side frame. I smacked a tree root with there's a low hanging chunk of support there. This piece right here. Smacked it, so it's probably bent back a little bit. From the previous accident, this corner of the car is lower than the other side, as evident by the hood gap. So we just made it worse. That's okay. We're gonna get the Heep out. We're gonna yank on it a little bit, just see if we can pull things out a little bit. Other than that, I mean, the thing runs good. It's got lots of pickup. It spins the tires. It does nice e-brake turns. I adjusted the parking brake. Does good Rockfords. We can have some fun with these, but we do need to do some prep work to the track. Lousy lighting there. Sorry about that. But I don't think we're going to film too much more. We'll probably film the Jeep yanking on this thing. But we're in business. We're in business. The mighty Mitsubishi. Mirage. This was not bent in when I bought the car. We did that when we pushed it over to work on it. But yeah. Took the fuel door off too because the release wasn't working. So.
You lost a part over there.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
God, it just wasn't that bad before.
Oh, no, it wasn't. Alrighty, we'll get the camera set up and get a good angle for y'all. Not this angle, because that's not a good angle there. Okay, these are both fine.
Looks like it.
That didn't do a damn thing. Let me readjust the camera here and we'll set the parking brake.
Ready?
I'll stand on the brake pedal.
Drop the flying chains. Short chain though.
Okay.
A little higher. Yeah.
Rip my car in half.
Feel that bad here.
That's almost like new.
Start it? Yeah, I guess that's all that matters. Probably worse.
Sitting on the other side now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good with the gears. Reverse was worse than forward, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Lots of clearance now?
Oh, so bad. I think it's fully here.
That's more upright. Straighter now or just in the front?
No, that's a noise.
I mean, it almost looks like the front tire is a little bit pulled away from the back.
Oh yeah, that pulled it away like half an inch. Remember, your oil pan is the lowest hanging thing down here.
Yeah, we need to do some, oh jeez. So this, bottom of the fender, is hitting the door.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
fragile?
I just stretched my Mirage.